Hello YouTube, today I'm going to make a video on Salesmate. So first off guys, what you have to do is click on try for free. So first off guys, we have to enter our email. Or you can enter just by Google, but enter by email. So it would be much easier guys to enter by Google or Microsoft, but I'll just do it in the old-fashioned way. If any of you guys are also doing it this way, so I can guide you one way through it. So first let's complete your sign up. So my first name is Ned and my last name is Tech. Let's say that my company name is also Ned Tech. And my country, let's say that is Bulgaria. My phone is this one. And my password, let me try it again. So here it is guys. Here is it. Just click on continue and here it is. So first off, furthermore we have to personalize our Salesmate experience, and we have to create our internet address. So it would be nettech123.salesmate.io, and the industry we'll work in, it will be IT services. Just click on the continue button, then just choose what is the amount of people that work on the team. So let's say that I'm the founder of the team, and let's say that we work with sales automation. And let's just skip this step. And guys, we have to verify our email. So I told you guys to be careful in the start of the video, because we would very likely get an email verification in our Gmail. So I'll just go in our Gmail. Here is it, and just wait a second. Okay, I think this was no. Okay, so I did actually get the email wrong. I told you guys to be careful, but at the end of the day I wasn't careful. So we'll just go through all this one more time. It would be quicker because I'll log in with Google, and I won't comment it that much. I'll just say that I'm really sorry for this, and you'd have to bear with me just for a second while I'm doing all this. So just wait for a second for the site to load up, and it would get me in real quick, I guess. Oh, here is it guys, here it is. So Peter Automation, let's say our company is NetTech again, the country we reside in is Bulgaria. Our phone, again, let's write it in. I don't think that someone will call us. Here it is, our password. And again, okay, so let's just leave it like this. Again, select IT services, select 2 to 5, select founder, select sales automation, and skip the step. And right now we should get the email, putting on the finishing touches, or I don't think we'll receive an email because we have already logged in with Gmail. So this step, I think it would be automatically skipped. another time I would like to be sorry, guys. I didn't actually mean to get my Gmail wrong. That's why, guys, you have to be careful. You may think that, oh, why don't I receive my verification code? It maybe would be because you are kind of clueless. You didn't know that you actually got your Gmail wrong. You also could have done any other thing wrong, guys. Just be careful when writing in your specific details, and everything should be alright, guys. So here's our dashboard. There's a setup guide. Here we can do all these things for our automation, but we don't need these things. So here's our dashboards. And there are two graphs. There's a favorite graph and an all dashboard graph. We can create also a dashboard, like sales overview blank or default after a blank. Dashboard, we can just make it look however we want. Like I would set the name to be net dashboard 1 and just save it. Here's it. So now we can add widgets like call logs. We can add activity performance overview and all those kinds of things, guys. After that, let's see our dashboard. Here's our net dashboard, and we can see our call logs and activity performance overview. We can also right here add widgets, select actions, create another dashboard, and filter our things, guys. So here we can put in whatever we want to. Like I would like to set it here, right below this other shortcut. And also we can add contacts, select companies, add activities. Oops, I didn't actually mean to. Just click on that. Look at our activities, look at our deals, our inbox, team inbox, text, see out outreach, the report, our conversations and chats, and more. So I'll just guys show you how to set our deals, guys. Here we can make a new deal. The title will be deal 213. The contact will be Isaiah Thomas. We can just save it. So we have to create a contact. We can just do that. We have to like create a contact with this name. Yeah, here it is, guys. So here's the contact. We can just save it, and here's the deal with our contact name. We can set the company name, the value, the stage, the status, and everything, guys. So let me just show you the pricing plan. Please just wait a second, guys. It won't take too long, and here it is. So we can see, guys, from the start of the page that annually is 20% cheaper than monthly paying. So there are 4 plans. There's a basic plan, a pro plan, a business plan, and an enterprise plan. So the enterprise plan is the custom one. So you'd have to contact the sales team to arrange the price of the enterprise one. The business one is the most popular, which is $63 per user per month, and it has the most amount of advantages compared to these two and we can see that there's also a pro one and a basic one, which the basic one is the cheapest, and it also has the least amounts of perks. And yeah guys, so that was it for the video. I hope that I was helpful enough, guys, and I wish you guys all a happy day. See ya.